So hey guys, OnePlus finally gave us the official launch date for the OnePlus Open. It is the same date I mentioned in my videos. The launch event is scheduled to take place on October 19th, which means only a few days left to witness the Galaxy Z Fold 5 arrival. We have already seen the phone in various hands-on videos and render images. Now again we have got some new images of the phone. In a post, Evan Blass shared 4 photos of the foldable phone out in the wild. Previously, we have seen the handset in black and green, but this image shows the device in a gold colorway. We also get a good look at the triple camera setup in the back, something the company has been hiding in previews. If you're getting confused about why Oppo logo is there, for those who don't know, the Oppo Find N3 Fold will be rebranded and will be released as OnePlus Open, and the CEO of Oppo and OnePlus has already confirmed this. So this is how you will get the OnePlus Open in the international market. Speaking of, the second leak comes from Digital Chat Station on the Chinese social media platform Weibo. According to the leak, the phone will have a 48 megapixel main camera and a 64 megapixel periscope with 3x optical zoom and 6x lossless zoom. The third sensor is believed to be a 48 megapixel ultra-wide sensor. In addition, we can also confirm the presence of a alert slider in both the OnePlus and the Oppo branded versions of the devices we have seen. This detail has become a significant feature for OnePlus devices in the past, and it is really good news to see that tradition continues. It is expected to run on Android 13 operating system. As per previous leak, the OnePlus Open will feature a 7.82 inches OLED inner display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a 6.31 inches OLED outer screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. The phone will be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. But in terms of pricing, the OnePlus Open is likely to cost $1,699. In comparison to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, which cost $1,799, the OnePlus Open cost $100 less, which brings question and disappointment because we thought OnePlus was a budget-friendly device maker. Let me know your thoughts on this pricing of the OnePlus Open in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.